Twitter has released audio chat rooms known as Twitter Spaces for its Android and iOS customers within the app. Twitter Spaces helps you to be a part of, pay attention, and communicate. These spaces may be joined by using anybody as a listener, consisting of those who do not follow. To create Twitter Space, on your home timeline, long press on the Tweet Compose icon and then tap the brand new Spaces icon, a couple of circles forming a diamond shape, at the along way left. Or, force it for your profile picture in Fleets, scroll to the far proper, and tap Spaces. Android users should be part of Spaces created by iOS users but didn't have the option to create their own. However, looks as if the Twitter is now permitting some customers on Android to create their space. To join Twitter Spaces from your iPhone and Android, you'll be able to see if a person you follow has started a space at the top of your timeline, subsequent to Fleets when you open your Twitter. Then, tab Be a part of this space. And right away you'll get added to Space. Twitter says Spaces is a new way to have live audio conversations on Twitter. We've been testing and building this in the open with the Twitter Spaces and your feedback so we get it right. We love how it's shaping up, but there is much more to come including new features and updates.